There's optimism surrounding Pfizer's COVID-19 vaccine. The company says the vaccine is 90% effective, which would be a major step in fighting the pandemic. Valley News Team's Kelly Hubbard talked with local health experts on what lies ahead.
Pfizer's COVID-19 vaccine could be the light at the end of the dark tunnel for Americans and the world.
The news today is really exciting.
Looks very promising. 90% effectiveness is great to hear. I think there's still, the trial's not entirely closed yet. We'll want to see all the data.
Dr. Doug Griffin, Sanford Health Vice President and Chief Medical Officer, says the vaccine rollout will be probably across much of 2021 before they get a large number of people vaccinated.
So we're already, health organizations and the government is already preparing what does it look like to begin the distribution of this, vaccine when a vaccine becomes available.
The COVID vaccine coming in 2 doses, 3 weeks apart.
Probably the earliest would be early December that it could be here locally. And again, we'll start with vaccinating our frontline healthcare workers and critical infrastructure employees.
Dr. Griffin and Kylie Hall, project manager at NDSU Center for Immunization Research and Education, saying as COVID numbers continue to rise on both sides of the river, it's important to not let your CDC guideline guards down as we venture into winter.
We need to continue doing things like wearing our masks and social distancing, making sure we're using good hand hygiene, and then contact tracing. They're all really important.
Thanks to everybody that's doing their part, but frankly, we can and we need to do better for this, because this is getting very serious for our hospitals and the hospitals around the state. So,
Hall adding they are going to continue to monitor the safety of the vaccine once it's released. Pfizer has estimated it could have 50 million doses available globally by the end of 2020, enough for 25 million people. In Fargo, Kelly Hubbard, Valley News Live.
Pfizer's vaccine is among 4 being studied in the U.S. Another U.S. company, Moderna, also hopes to file an application with the FDA later this month. Some of us may be seeing more flake